In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email template in HubSpot. First, open your HubSpot account and head to the marketing menu, then select email. This is where all your campaign and template work lives, so give yourself a moment to get familiar with the layout. Once you're in the email area, look for the Create Email button in the top right and choose Regular to start a standard campaign template that you can reuse. When the template panel opens, click on All Templates to see your options. You can choose from scratch if you want complete control over layout and styling, or pick a pre-built design from the library if you'd prefer a quick starting point. Both approaches work well. Starting from scratch gives you full flexibility, while pre-built templates can save time and ensure good structure. Now you'll move into the design phase, which is where the drag and drop editor becomes your main tool. Use the Add tab on the left to pull modules onto the canvas. You can add text blocks, images, buttons, multi-column rows, and more. Arrange these modules to create the visual hierarchy you want, keeping headlines and calls to action prominent. To customize each module, click on it and use the right-hand inspector to adjust styling options. This is where you set fonts, colors, spacing, and padding to match your brand. Small adjustments to padding and font sizes can make a big difference in readability. For images, include meaningful alt text and make sure they're optimized for quick loading. Populate the template with content next. Insert your images and write clear, concise copy. Personalize the experience by using contact tokens, such as the recipient's first name, to make messages feel more relevant. You can also insert snippets for frequently used or add scheduling links to let recipients book time easily. These elements help streamline campaign creation later. Keep mobile responsiveness top of mind. The drag and drop editor is built to be mobile-friendly, but it helps to preview how your layout stacks on smaller screens, so buttons remain tappable and text is legible. When your design is complete, save it as a reusable template. Look for the Save Email as Template option, typically found under Actions or available when you exit the editor. Give the template a clear descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Finally, when you create future emails, choose your saved design from the template library to kick off new campaigns quickly. A well-structured template saves time, preserves brand consistency, and makes it easier to focus on content and results.